All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, using credit cards that you can get rewards in cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about AMP token. There's a lot of things going on with AMP, things with Flexa, the Sheets gas stations now accepting it. Right now, the coin is actually down slightly. It's under the 5 cents. Is this the time to get positioned? We're going to talk about all that. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. At our channel, we can't wait until one day every single person has cryptocurrency on the planet. With the AMP being accepted, the Sheets gas stations and convenience stores being able to be accepted at 600 stores, this is going to be gigantic to basically get every single person on the planet as a start to start using cryptocurrency. Can you imagine? Remember, you can use your Bitcoin Cash, your Ethereum, and to go ahead and buy your stuff at Sheets gas stations, Sheets convenience stores. Well, we're going to talk about the price of it. Now today we're talking about staking. Staking the coin, another revenue stream that people do to actually make money with cryptocurrency. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump over to AMP. All right, we're over here. AMP on Coin Market Cap is at number 61. It's down 4.8%. It's at a little under 5 cents. Let's go ahead and click this real quick to take a look. So right there is at 0.047. And taking a look here at the chart, it is dropping. So, but take a look at how it's been stable. So it's been very, very stable, and now it's dropping. So again, with all these different contracts, over 600 gas stations accepting this. This, in my opinion, this is a pretty good time to be looking at this. It says the live AMP price is at 0.479 in the last 24 hours. The AMP is a real time. It's actually down about 2% in the last 24 hours. So what is AMP? Basically AMP is a token that collateralizes the cryptocurrency. So again, when a merchant wants to actually accept cryptocurrency, there's been a lot of challenges. The challenges is that the transactions in Bitcoin can take anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes to 10 minutes to an hour to 6 hours. So nobody has 2 hours to wait in line for the transactions to take place. That's a big thing. Also the gas fees. You use your Bitcoin and all of a sudden now you're going to pay $10, $15 in gas fees to buy $20, $30 in something. It doesn't make sense. $20 in merchandise, $20 in gas fees, that's a little bit too much. So again, AMP token actually collateralizes it, makes it easier that the merchant doesn't lose a single penny, and now the customer can actually use whatever cryptocurrency at the Sheets gas station they're going to be able to use for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So the 4 of them they're going to be able to use, and so they're going to go right to the AMP and they're going to select what they want to do. That's pretty big. In El Salvador, being able to basically use the Flexa network and be able to use Bitcoin right now, that's gigantic. Right here we're at how the price of AMP has changed in the last 12 months. Coining it, AMP's price prediction in 2021, then cryptocurrency. We were talking about a little bit of price prediction, so we're going to throw 3 or 4 different price predictions out here. Again, we do all this for educational purposes only to entertain everybody. The cryptocurrency is now among the top 50 biggest in the world. AMP token is in the top 50 in the world. And if you take a look how the price has changed in the last 12 months, the AMP token was launched last September. So it's been a year, and it was built on the Ethereum blockchain. AMP is a digital collateralized token which is set to offer quick and variable assurance for any kind of value transfer. Investing in any cryptocurrency is risky business and could end up losing all your money. So you should always only invest the money that you can afford to lose, as long as you understand that. The price of cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can go up and down as well of a blink of an eye. Cryptocurrencies are now not regulated, and there is no consumer protection like you can get a traditional savings and investment. There's no one that you can complain to that something's going wrong. Right here, it's talking about AMP's price prediction in 2022. Just a couple things here. So AMP's price prediction could reach 15 cents by the end of 2021, according to the website Coin Price Forecast. Meanwhile, the Wallet Investor forecasts the AMP price could reach 14 cents within the next 12 months. Make sure you take your prediction with a pinch of salt, though. There's nowhere and nothing is never guaranteed. Again, we do this for educational purposes only. Thought this one was interesting. On Yahoo, AMP Crypto, 9 things to know about AMP coin as it starts being traded on Coinbase. So let's not forget that AMP token is traded on Coinbase and AMP token is traded on Binance. These are two of the things that now it makes it a lot easier to get access to the coin. So when they can go to Binance and they can go to basically Coinbase to get it, this is awesome. So again, let's go over these 9 different things real quick. The first thing that crypto investors should know about AMP is on the Ethereum base token. It acts as a collateral for payments and is made up using the Flexa network. This means that payments take too long or fails, AMP collateralizes can be liquidated to cover the cost. So again, covering the cost where? That's right, over here at Sheets, at over the 600 different stores that we were just talking about a few days ago. 600 different stores with 20,000 employees are going to be using cryptocurrency, using the Flexa network and AMP. I mean, this is amazing. This means the vendor still gets paid as it adds extra security for both buyer and the seller using cryptocurrency. AMP boasts that it can allow for the coverage of large variety of transaction types. This includes digital payments, fiat currency exchange, loan distribution, property sales, and more. There are fixed supplies of AMP token in order to reduce the risk of volatility. AMP already works with large variety of companies that are made up of the service, among them Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, Uniswap, and many, many more. All right, we're over here at the top 10. So let's do this real quick. Bitcoin is actually up over 4% in the last 7 days. It's actually trading at $47,204. Ethereum is actually down about 1%. It's at 3309 right this second. Cardano is a number 3. It's actually down 9%. This could be an opportunity. $2.25 is the coin, down 9% in the last 7 days. For all the investors and people buying coins, you may want to put a little thing on that. That's remember we were talking when it's under $2.50. That's $2.25. Binance Coin is at number 4. There's a lot of red on here, so this could be a good opportunity to get positioned. It's $405 a coin. XRP is actually trading right now at $1.03 a coin. It's down 6% in the last 7 days. Solana is at $151.23 a coin. And it's actually down 6.71% in the last 7 days. Polkadot is at number 8. It's actually down over 10% in the last 7 days, $33.29. The Dogecoin is at number 9. It's down 5% in the last 7 days, and it's only at 23 cents right this second. Avalanche is at number 11, and it's actually up. It's not going down like an avalanche. It's up, 22% in the last 7 days. Uniswap is at number 12. I want to go check out right here, Bitcoin Cash, $627. And let's not forget about Litecoin, at number 16. And we have our special Shiba Inu at number 51. Shiba Inu, take a look at this. Shiba Inu is up 17% in the last 7 days. We've been talking about that. So you know what? A little bit of Shiba going on there. What's the market doing? Crypto global market is at $2.15 trillion. It's actually up 1.83%. You're doing another price prediction here. Pick a crypto through the trends, investors, settlement, overall direction of the crypto market. We think AMP has a long-term earning potential to anywhere visit between 30 cents and $1 in 2021. That's pick a crypto. The coin arbitrage bot, by looking at very recent price changes in AMP, the forecast system is roughly around 7.5 cents. That would be a great, that's over a 50% increase. Based on the AMP historical data, we could see 7.5 by the end of the year of 2021. Again, that's over 50% increase. Reddit right here, this one's crazy. AMP price will continue to appreciate by investors and solid trading rises the price to date, showing the potential for customers, reaching a price rise of almost 90 cents this year. I mean, you know what? That's a lot of predictions right there. We wanted to touch base on that a little bit. All right. So here's the thing. With AMP token, there's an opportunity to make money by staking the coin. So what you do is you actually buy the AMP and you stake it and you lock it. You need to go to the AMP website to search it. There's different percentages. I think it's going to be, don't quote me on this, 2 to 3% right now. It's kind of low, 4%. But they're saying as the network gets bigger and bigger, the percentages are going to be higher. And as more and more countries, and as more 600 chain gas stations, convenience stores, sheets, take accept the cryptocurrency, it's actually going to get bigger and bigger. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. You can click right here to see our most recent video, and then also, let's not forget, my vision here is for every single person to have some cryptocurrency. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We're doing educational videos here. We're going to be doing this for years and years to come. We're all going to learn together. So Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have an awesome day today, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Oh yeah, our hours. Every single day, Monday through Friday, we launch a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we usually launch a video around 3 to 4 o'clock on the weekends and stuff. We do it 7 days a week to make sure we bring you all kinds of information. So have a great day. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner.